Hi friends! Welcome to Kitchen Princess Bamboo, Japanese everyday food. Today I want to share with you my 3 frozen onigiri that you can bring to your school or office straight from the freezer for your lunch. You can make ahead and you can cut the preparation time in the busy morning. Because onigiri is eat room temperature 5 to 6 hours after it's made, we should be very careful to keep in a good condition. Or if you bring it with a refrigerant pack, it's much safer, but the texture of the rice is not good. I thought, what if the onigiri itself is frozen and still safe to eat and taste good at the same time? I researched how to make it happen and I did an experiment. It went successful and I wanted to share it with you. The secret ingredient is oil. Cook the rice with oil is critical. Oil coats the rice and it doesn't lose its moisture and keep it in the right texture. And the oil keeps you full all afternoon. This summer is so hot and it seems never end. It's a good idea to bring frozen onigiri so you don't have to worry about your lunch goes bad. Let's get started. Today I will make 3 different frozen onigiris in microwave oven. Cooking in microwave is very common in Japan, and it is very much appreciated in the summer because it doesn't create a heat. First, you will need cooked rice. I have cooked 3 rice cup rice. It makes 1 kilogram of cooked rice. 1 rice cup is not the usual measurement, so be careful with the amount. First one is chashu, fried rice onigiri. I always keep the edges of the chashu for fried rice. Crack an egg and add a pinch of salt. Grease the inside of the microwave-safe bowl with 1 tablespoon of sesame oil so that the egg doesn't stick to the side. Cook in the microwave for 30 seconds on 800 watt. Take out and give it a stir to break up the egg. Cook 30 seconds more. Keep your eyes on the egg to avoid overcooking. It's okay if uncooked egg still remains. Take out and break the egg into small pieces. Add in diced chashu and chicken soup powder and soy sauce. Cook in the microwave for 30 seconds to dissolve the soup powder. Add in warm cooked rice and chopped scallion. Mix all together really well. But be careful not to break the grains. Give it a taste, and if you are happy with it, shape into onigiri. I always use a small bowl which can weigh 100 grams of cooked rice. I recommend to have this kind of bowl to make exact same size onigiri. Squash to stick the rice each other. Open and rewrap the onigiri by stretching and seal tightly. It looks good and set aside until it comes to room temperature. Next, Omu-Rice Onigiri. Mince onion, carrot, and green bell pepper. I will use the same vegetable for the dry curry onigiri, so mince the double amount. chop the sausage into small dice. You can use bacon or ground meat or anything you have on your hand. Put all the ingredients into a microwave-safe bowl and cook in the microwave for 1 minute on 800 watt. Take out and give it a stir. Cook on microwave again for 1 minute more. Add in warm cooked rice and mix well. Then shape into onigiri. Sometimes I receive the question how to shape into triangle. Here is how I do. Your left palm is just holding the onigiri, and the right palm shapes an angle to make it into triangle. Repeat until you are happy with the shape. Practice makes perfect. Now let's make a thin omelette to wrap it up. Crack an egg and add a pinch of salt. Beat well and add a potato starch solution. It gives a strength to the omelette and not easy to tear apart. Cut into strips and wrap the onigiri. There you have Omu-Rice Onigiri. Last but not least, dry curry onigiri. For this onigiri, I used chopped ham, and I used American mayo, which I have been keeping in my fridge from the egg salad sandwich episode. I thought the slight acidity would enhance the flavor of curry, and it turned out great. Add in all the ingredients and cook in the microwave as well as the omurice. Shape into onigiri and wrap nice and tight. Okay, we have all the onigiris. Let it freeze overnight and let's see how it goes. In the next morning, I put out from the freezer at 7. See what happens. My son brought dry curry onigiri as an ice pack to keep other onigiri cool. At 11 o'clock, just a little bit cold to touch. Maybe the center part is still cold. 1 hour later, at 12 noon, all the onigiri is at the room temperature. And let me taste. Omu-Rice Onigiri tastes good as usual, and the chahan onigiri is good as well as I expected. I like the best the last one, dry curry. The mayonnaise gives it a nice moisture and flavor. It really tastes good. much tastier than I expected. I hope the recipe is helpful for you. Give it a try and let me know how you like it. Thank you for watching the video. Give me a big thumbs up and share the video with your friends and families, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so already. Follow me on the social media and tag me on your post if you give it a try. And go to my website for the printable recipe and more information. And my store on Amazon has pretty much everything that I'm using in my video. Stay safe and stay healthy, and I will see you soon. Bye!